Struggling to attract wealth or build a profitable online business? Imagine having a done for you toolkit that helps you reprogram your money mindset and gives you a business in a box you can resell for 100% profit. Stick with me because in this video, I'll reveal how the brand new Money and Abundance Affirmations Kit can help you change your life and create a business in the evergreen money mindset niche. My first impression? This kit is powerful. It's not just about affirmations. It's a complete package with cards, audio files, articles, AI prompts, and even resale rights. Perfect for personal growth, and even better if you want to tap into a $1 billion niche and sell the content as your own. So, what exactly is the Money and Abundance Affirmations Kit? It's a done for you package designed to help you and your audience build a healthy relationship with money and attract financial freedom. It includes 120 beautiful affirmation cards, editable in Canva, professionally recorded voiceovers in both male and female voices, 10 long SEO ready blog articles you can publish instantly, 50 AI self inquiry prompts for journaling and mindset rewiring, plus 2 huge bonuses: a full money mindset makeover guide and a tutorial showing how to edit everything with zero tech skills. And here's the kicker: everything comes with unrestricted PLR rights, so you can customize it, resell it, and keep 100% of the profits. Inside the dashboard, it's super simple. You'll see the Canva templates for your affirmation cards. Just drag, drop, and edit. The MP3 voiceovers are ready to download and use in meditation, content, or even your own apps. The blog articles are pre-formatted for SEO, so you can copy-paste them into WordPress. And the AI prompts are perfect for engaging journaling exercises or even content generation using tools like ChatGPT. Basically, it's plug and play. Now let's quickly go over the upgrades in the funnel so you know what to expect. Front end, Money and Abundance Kit for just $12.99 during launch, $19.99 after. Bump offer, 200 Money and Abundance vertical videos for $9.99. OTO1, Money Mindset GPTs bundle, either $27 for personal use or $67 for full PLR rights. OTO2, previous affirmation kits, grab both for $29.98 or one for $19.99. OTO3, 1,100 plus motivational social media posts for $24.99, plus a bump of 650 more for $9.99. OTO4, mega bundle of self-help courses and ebooks for $24.99 with an optional add-on of extra content for $9.99. Each upgrade adds massive value, but the front end alone is worth grabbing if you just want to start simple. Now, here's where it gets really exciting. If you grab the kit through the link below, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus vault, packed with premium tools and plugins to help you grow, market, and profit faster. Here's just 10 of them you'll get instantly. WP Slideshow Master. Create viral slideshows for content engagement. WP Swift Page Plugin. Supercharge your site speed and SEO rankings. Lead Book Generator. Automatically sync Facebook leads into your autoresponder. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to your emails for urgency. Backlinks Warrior. Powerful backlink tool to dominate Google rankings. 100 ready-made niche blogs. Plug-and-play authority blogs for instant traffic. Video Biz in a Box. Start a full video marketing business instantly. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic for your niche offers. Amazon Store Builder. Launch affiliate stores in minutes. CPA Marketing Excellence Pack. Learn advanced CPA tactics for extra income. And that's just scratching the surface. There are over 70 bonuses waiting inside the vault, but these 10 alone are worth hundreds of dollars. To wrap it up, the Money and Abundance Affirmations Kit is a complete done-for-you toolkit with resale rights in one of the hottest niches online. Whether you want to shift your own money mindset or build a business around abundance, this package gives you everything you need. But remember, the price is increasing soon, and my exclusive bonus vault is only available for fast action takers. Once the timer hits 0, the bonuses disappear. So don't wait. Go ahead and click the first link in the description now to secure your copy and grab all the exclusive bonuses before the deal ends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and affiliate marketing tips. This is your chance to reprogram your money mindset and build a business in one move. So hit that link below, and I'll see you inside.